So this one, seated leg curl. This is great when you're pregnant. Adjust the seat. This one was way too high up. Let's see. Same thing with the other one. Alright. This one's tricky. If your quads are big, you get stuck in it. Let's see. Where am I? Sometimes this all can be very intimidating if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. Zeroing it out. 50's good. That's too far. Where's my thingies? How do you get it? See, I don't even know. Here we go. There. See, this is so technical, and I don't even fit in it. I don't even fit in this thing. Alright, now there's a couple ways we can do this, and I gotta lighten the load to show you. Couple ways you can do this. Sitting up, so you can squeeze it back as far as you can get it. Okay. Sitting back, squeezing, or pointing your toes. Point your toes. Almost like when you come up, you want to drive your hips forward as you can. Forward. That's a luck of the draw right there. So you can point your toes or flex them. See which one you feel most.